Welcome to an overview of the essential statistics that every marketer should be aware of in the realm of digital marketing. Understanding these statistics is crucial for devising effective marketing strategies that yield results. From conversion rates to click-through rates and customer acquisition costs, we will explore how these numbers can shape your marketing approach and drive success in the digital landscape. Stay ahead of the competition by keeping up with the latest trends in digital marketing. From influencer marketing to artificial intelligence, understanding these trends and associated statistics is crucial for your marketing strategy's success. Learn how leveraging new technologies and platforms can give you a competitive edge and help you reach your target audience more effectively. Delve into the world of consumer behavior data and discover how analyzing this information can enhance your marketing campaigns. By understanding consumer preferences, buying patterns, and decision-making processes, you can create targeted and personalized marketing strategies that resonate with your audience. Learn how data-driven insights can lead to improved customer engagement, higher conversion rates, and overall better results for your business. Unveil the mystery behind social media metrics and learn which key indicators to focus on to evaluate the success of your social media marketing endeavors. From engagement rates to reach and conversion metrics, understanding these statistics can help you measure the effectiveness of your campaigns and make informed decisions for future strategies. Discover how tracking these metrics can provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior and preferences, ultimately leading to more impactful and targeted social media efforts. Dive into the realm of SEO statistics and uncover the key metrics that play a vital role in enhancing your website's visibility and search engine ranking. From organic traffic to backlink quality and keyword performance, these statistics offer valuable insights into the effectiveness of your SEO strategies. By exploring and understanding these metrics, you can optimize your website for higher search rankings and attract more organic traffic. Enhance your SEO knowledge with these essential statistics and watch your website climb the search engine results page.